Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Stellar. Once again, thank you for your continued support and everything you do towards the growth of CoinsKid here. It's been such an exceptional ride. We're almost at 70k subs now, and I just want to thank you personally for that, pushing us up to that level, and it's amazing. I really do thank you. So yeah, big thumbs up to you. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you continue to have a good week, and I hope you stay tuned to the channel as well. So diving into XLM then. So I've had a lot of requests to look at this, so I'm going to jump on it. Basically, it's looking really positive, okay? I'm not going to lie to you, it's looking really, really positive for continuation in this bull run. And basically what's happened is we've got this big buy and go to the beach signal here, you know, on the weekly time frame, full transparency. This is the way it is. Millionaires are made in bear markets, basically. So this bear market here, bull market, monstrosity, up there, huge price appreciation for Stellar in the previous bull run. Got up there, topped out, rolled over, formed a bearish cross, the big sell and go to the beach signal basically for CoinsKid. But there is a precursor to this signal, okay? And I am being fully transparent with you. If you start to see a project do this on the weekly, it's struggling to stay above the weekly EMA on the 20, okay, and it's doing this where it's getting above, struggling to come up for hair and stay up, okay, that in itself is a signal that you're going down. Because look, if you're selling on the weekly cross here, you've already lost some gains basically. So do keep in mind that is a big sell and go to the beach signal, but it's also, you've got a precursor in what it's doing here with the EMAs, the 20 EMA on the weekly. If it does this, resistance, struggling, and you're making lower highs, you see this in the whole grand scheme of things, you're coming down, you're basically coming down, you're running out of steam. Do you see this? You can't ignore what's in front of you. That in itself is a signal before the bearish cross, okay? So that's it. That's basically a little in-out. So sell and go to the beach, buy and go to the beach. Right now, you bought and went to the beach in November on XLM, and you sat there on the beach with your pina colada, loving life, because right now you are up a whopping 446% on XLM, and at one point you was up when it broke the previous all-time high, you was actually up a whopping 752%. So basically a 7x. So that's good. But I do see further appreciation for XLM, to be honest with you. I do, and I will bring that out in a moment. But what I want to say to you is it's showing real good signs of strength at the moment. It's painting a lovely cup and handle pattern here as well, which shows continuation if it can come up and break a particular level of resistance. So basically this cup and handle, do you see that with the handle coming back? And if it comes up and it breaks this level of resistance, you're looking at more upside and effectively taking you up towards that 90 cents mark, which is a double up from here basically. So what it's doing, when it's gone up in the weekly, you can see the bullish cross, the big buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, boom, up, down, and each time it's falling, look where it's landing on this yellow line. So it shows enormous strength. A lot of projects are not even there yet. They've got so far extended from this EMA that they're actually coming down and they're looking for the retest, XRP included. A lot of projects, to be fair. XLM has been very quietly appreciating, just like Chainlink, just like a few other projects have been quietly appreciating, going up nicely and organically. So it's beautiful to see for continuation. Very strong uptrend basically, and when it comes back, it's back testing, holding support really well. So effectively what you've got here is gone up, come back down, gone up, come back down, and now it looks to be starting its next leg up, doesn't it? So from that we can derive a price prediction. So I'm going to bring out the Fibonacci, okay, and what it is, you go from the bottom that was created in the bear market and the previous top that was created in the previous bull market. And what it's done, it's come back down obviously in the bear market, bottomed out, and it's basically a big corrective wave down and then a new impulsive wave up. And as it started to come up, you can see it's hitting these levels as resistance. Look, it hung around on the 050 for a long time, come back down, found support on the 0382, started to come up. So it's been very long and choppy and drawn out. But now it's broke its all-time high just there, acted as a really key level of resistance for a while just there, came back down, had another go at it and got above it and broke the all-time high. But you can see it's fell back, and where it's fell back to is this yellow line, the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame, and from there it starts to pick up again. So I would imagine that if you do start to approach this previous all-time high, you will have a level of resistance, but I do imagine that as you can see what's happening, this yellow line creeping up, and as you keep back testing it, it's going to force you up, okay? And you adhere and you hold this line, you're going to get forced up, boom, pop out, continuation, okay? This is why we have this price prediction for XLM, and we do think it will get there. So in my opinion, XLM is going to rocket up to this particular extension here, the 1618. And this is of keen interest because this kit sits at $3.19. Okay, so we do actually see XLM get into that particular price prediction in this bull run for XLM. There's no reason why it wouldn't, because it's broken all levels of resistance, it's broken the high, it's coming back up on the high, and that's the next extension. It's not going to get there overnight. I don't want to disillusion you. It's just going to in one big like rocket ship to Mars. It's not going to do that. It's going to go up and it's going to fall back and go up, fall back, go up, fall back, because that's what it's done so far since it broke out. Look, growing organically and nicely. So if you're not involved in XLM, you know, you could jump in here. No, not financial advice, but do always anticipate, like I say to you, always anticipate these pullbacks for great entry zones. Okay, so look what a fantastic entry that was. This particular pullback there, fantastic. This one, fantastic, because right now it looks like it's starting its next leg up. Okay, to attack that high again, and then obviously attack the all-time high. So that's currently the all-time high for XLM just there. And in my opinion, we are going to get there. We are going to get there and some, and we're going to continue up to this particular price prediction up there for XLM during this bull run. So it's all good. It's all good. The only reason to doubt that it wouldn't do that is if, you know, Bitcoin did start to roll over and correct like that. And if you did start to see, just like I said to you earlier in the video, if you did start to see XLM start to roll over, fall through this yellow line on the weekly, okay, just like it did here, went up, rolled over, it just starts to fall through it and starts hitting its head continuously, and it starts making these lower highs like this, okay, in this sort of trend where it's gone up and it's running out of steam, then yeah, you know, think about your exit strategy. Not financial advice, but yeah, so far so good. We are going to be marching onwards and upwards from here of around 617% to that price prediction in this bull run. So that's XLM. Hope you enjoyed that update. What I will do though right now is jump in on the 4-hourly time frame. So I'm going to leave that price prediction in there, and I'm going to remove this Fibonacci right now. So what I'm going to do is jump in on the 4-hourly time frame right now. Okay. So just like we've done on the weekly time frame, then we're going to lay down a Fibonacci extension. So basically you formed a bottom there, you've got the top there, and you're going to march on and you're going to sort of push up and break that high, and then we're looking at that price appreciation there of 87 cents, and that basically ties in with that cup and handle pattern that we've got on the weekly time frame as well. So it looks good. It looks good. So what you do need to see XLM doing obviously is pushing up, breaking these levels of resistance, because you can see where it's hit its head on this retracement here. It's come up, it's got through these EMAs, which is really good, by the way. You do want to start, obviously it's got to start somewhere, and this is a good start to get through this yellow line here, which is a 20, back test it as support, but you can see where you've hit your head. You've not only hit your head on the 4-hourly 55, but you've also hit your head on the 0382 at 047. So you're coming back, but as these lines start to creep up now, just like I've shown you on the weekly there, and it adheres to it, as this starts to adhere to this, it creeps you up and it makes you test these levels of resistance and forces you up. So providing XLM can hold these key levels of support right now, it's going to creep up, it's going to take out these levels, and especially this level here, if it takes out the 0618, which is a golden ratio at 54 cents, you are going to see XLM march on and take out this high at least, and then march on to that price appreciation there. So right here, from here, XLM up to that price prediction is a whopping 88% trade for any of you so interested, and to just get up there and attack that high is a 48% trade from here on XLM. So it looks good, but like I say, it's not going to get there overnight. It's going to put up a fight and to get there, because that's what you want to see, like it's done on the weekly, that nice healthy progression. Don't get too parabolic. It's slowly creeping up, slowly, okay. It's all good. It's all good. So that's basically XLM. Failing out, if you was to start rolling out of here and falling down, then do anticipate a bounce off this bottom here, and that would be a retest of the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame as well, and you would sort of be looking at a longer drawn out level of consolidation before actually attacking these highs. But yeah, future price prediction for XLM is up there, okay, at $3.22 at 24 cents in this bull run, based off the 1618 Fibonacci extension on the weekly time frame there. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all golden. Take care, everyone. I'm back soon with another update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and most importantly, stay tuned. Back soon. Bye bye.